is shining, batteries are charging. We are going out with the MoonGoat and the Manta. Let's go. Just came to the location that I'm going to be flying today. Far away from people. Got some tall trees. I was actually stuck up there. That was hard to get down again, but fun. This is just going to be the test flight of the year. Let's see how it goes. It's still cold here in Norway, but the sun is shining, so I'm not gonna complain that much. It's nice and quiet also. Let's get ripping. The Manta was actually pretty good to fly. I like the frame. Feels kind of big, but it's still snappy and stuff, but that's probably because of the motors. I'm not sure if I like 2450 or 2750 better actually for the 4S. What do you like better? Snappy or more calm and flowy? But yeah. All in all, crashed it a little bit. Nothing too hard. You can't crash too hard in grass, but there's some trees here I knocked. Yeah, I like it. Get yourself the Manta frame. MoonGoat didn't make it as far. I had a little accident backwards into a tree, and the zip tie that I had over it broke. And yeah, it's cold in Norway. When plastic gets cold, it breaks easily. So yeah, that's the camera cable hanging out there, and the Vista. Even the TPU is all busted. Nice. That's us finished. That's me actually, not us, finished for today. Gonna head home. Probably get everything pieced up back together. Oh man, that was blown out. Now let's walk. Hopefully get everything back together and back out again tomorrow. Or, yeah.